Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
Touareg Black Edition 3.0 TDI at whopping 286 PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a pure white finish and it looks remarkable. This is a 4Motion vehicle as well and the car is being used as a demonstrator, so mileage is due to change. You have the 21-inch lead black alloy wheels, and as these are the 21-inch you get access to the air suspension system that the car does host. You have an upgraded factory fitted tow bar which is retractable as well with power folding trailer assist. As you can see, you have an electric tailgate. Simply hold the button of the key and you can access the boot directly. Great addition to the vehicle, especially if you have your hands full with shopping. A large boot capacity, big enough to fit stuff like suitcases inside there with ease, with additional storage space underneath. So fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the center console, and a full climate control in the back there. We have upgraded Varenna leather interior upholstery for the Black Edition, and also a multifunction steering wheel, which we'll touch on soon. As you can see there, we have the R-line embroidery on the seats there, and a panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. The car also features the memory seat functionality for the driver with electrically controlled seats. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use and also enables you to have access to DSG shift paddles. Your dashboard display shows features like navigation, and you also have a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience, and also you can access your driving data through the steering wheel as well. You have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort throughout. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, and making our way into our driving mode selection, there's a wide array of different driving modes to choose from. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive, and then Individual allows you to tweak individual settings, while driving profiles like snow and off-roading make it great for all year round. As you can see here, you also have the heated seats functionality, and as you can see, you can also configure where the direction of the heat does touch. So for example, if you wanted to affect your lower back, you can have it target that area in itself. This is great for all year round, especially in the winter on those colder days, and the passenger gets that feature as well. Lastly, as we do access our parking sensors, here you'll see we do have the ability to configure between the 360 car parking cameras and the front and back parking sensors. And what's great is you can actually stitch all the cameras together, essentially create a 3D world, which is great for places like shopping centers where traditionally it can be a little bit tight.